Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use AI to generate any video description. So let's get started with the video. So for example, we need to create a YouTube video basically for uh, the topic would be how to start a dropshipping business in 2025. So basically you need to give this prompt to ChatGPT. Write a YouTube video description in an enthusiastic tone. You can also mention formal, informal, professional. It totally depends on you. And then you have to give the title of the video. Basically I have written here how to start dropshipping business in 2025. You have to mention what you want in description. I have mentioned the video explains step by step how beginners can choose this particular details. I have mentioned whatever I want in my description, and then I can write add a call to action to like and subscribe. So at the end, since it's a YouTube video, we have to mention the call to that like and subscribe the particular channel. Give this prompt to ChatGPT. You can give the requirement according to your video description and you can use this prompt. As you can see here, ChatGPT has created the video description that I have mentioned with all the details here. So if the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.